In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Planner in Teams. Whether you're using Teams for work or for school, integrating Planner can really help you organize tasks and collaborate with others seamlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily access and use Planner all within the Microsoft Teams environment. So, let's dive right into it. To get started, we need to open your preferred internet browser and use the search bar to look up Microsoft Teams. If you already have the app installed on your device, you can simply open it. But for those using a web browser, typing Microsoft Teams and accessing it through the official site will suffice. Once you're on the Teams homepage, it's time to log in. Using your credentials, which could be your work or school email, enter the necessary information and proceed to access your account. After you've successfully logged into Teams, take a look at the left-hand navigation bar. There, you'll see an icon that consists of three dots, often referred to as the More Apps button. Clicking on this will reveal several applications that you can use with Teams. To find Planner, all you need to do is use the search bar that pops up after clicking the three-dot icon. Type in Planner, and you will see it listed among the app options. Now that you've found the Planner app, it's time to click on its icon. This should bring up an option to add the Planner app to your Teams workspace. By selecting Add, you're effectively integrating Planner into your suite of tools within Teams. This simple addition can greatly enhance your productivity, as Planner allows you to create, assign, and monitor tasks in a very intuitive way. To ensure that accessing Planner is as quick and straightforward as possible in the future, there's a neat trick you can use. Once the Planner icon appears on the left-hand side of your Teams window, you can right-click on it. Doing so will provide an option to pin the Planner app to your sidebar. By selecting Pin, you ensure that the Planner app remains visible and easily accessible each time you open Teams, avoiding the need to search for it again. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully added Microsoft Planner to your Teams environment. This setup will save you time and help you manage your projects more effectively by having everything you need in one streamlined location. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this integration as useful as I do in keeping everything on track and organized. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy planning!